Good morning, everybody. Paulie P here from PK's Bike Shop. I am with my beautiful daughter, Parker Kate of PK's Bike Shop, and it is Sunday Fun Day, May 13th. And today's vlog is going to be kind of short, but kind of cool, I hope. I was earlier. Wait, did you guys see these sunglasses? These Tavosi Swank? Well, I shot a lot of video. We're going to be having a huge product review of these glasses. I'll drop a link below so you can get a special discounted price. I like these glasses. They're pretty cool. So anyways, earlier today I was checking out my phone, and it's Sunday. It's my day off. I work Monday through Saturday, and Parker, Kate, and I are hanging at the house. I was thinking about what kind of a workout I wanted to do. Do I want to do intervals? Do I want to jog? Do I want to do whatever? So I just happened to have put on my Zwift app, and as I was running through it, I saw the events coming up, and I noticed that at 12 o'clock, it's 11:41 right now. At 12 o'clock is stage 1 of the Tour of California. And what is the Tour of California? Well, it's a race in California starting now. It's a stage race. Peter Sagan, a lot of the other greats are doing it. You okay over there, Parker Kate? She's okay. So anyways, they're going to have little replica stages where you can enter to win some prizes. And today, I wasn't going to really do it, but it's always fun winning prizes. I won a Wahoo Snap through Zwift. Swear to Parker's life over here. It was awesome. That's a whole nother story. But what I'm going after today is my virtual unlock. Meaning if I do today's stage, which is I think like 20 miles, so nothing, I go at my own pace, it's all good. I'm just gonna have a nice chill day, do intervals tomorrow. But once I complete today's stage, I'm going to unlock the virtual Amgen Tour of California virtual jersey and kit. So I am looking forward to doing that. Easy way to get some new bling in the video game, and let's see how it goes. Here we go. So as you can see, I signed up for it. It says join event. So we're gonna go here, click join event, and there is the group ride starting in, there it is right there, in 11 minutes and 43 seconds. So that means I have 11 minutes and change to get ready for this. I'm going to have some water. I'm going to bring Parker Kate in here. I'm going to get my tunes dialed in. And let's do this ride and unlock that jersey. Let's go. Alright, very quick update. I've managed to make my way kind of to the front. There's a little split here in the action. One group up front. I'm going to go up there, accelerate, stay with my main group. My goal is stay with the lead group, sit in, draft, and then let them take me 3 laps in the flat route. Lickety split. Let's go. Okay. Quick update. I successfully launched myself to the front. It's breaking up. We've been going 300, 400, 500 watts. This is not an easy ride. But like my old cross-country coach said, the quicker you do it, the quicker you're done. Let's go. Okay, quick break. As you can see, a lot of sweat going down. I was working real hard up near the front, and then I got a notification, computer is about to die. So for all you guys watching, remember, when you're in an important event, you want to have fun without any interruption, make sure your laptop is charging, because it gets zapped very quick when using apps like Zwift and Bluetooth and all that fun stuff. So here I am, getting past. Time to get back to work and back in the game. Okay, here we go. 18.4 miles in the books.
it was challenging, no doubt about it. Kept the pace up there between 200-300 watts. Rode with some people from France, Italy, Great Britain, good old USA, and we're 0.8 left into it. See if we get a focus here. There we go. And we got a nice little downhill coming up. Okay, so gotta love this right here. Frozen. All right, 0.7. Anyways, I'm glad I did this. It'll be fun to have about solid 50 minutes of cardio in, high end for this guy at least, and able to ride with some cool people and unlock a cool kit. Hopefully I'll win a physical prize. That would be cool.
Okay, so that ride was done. Glad I did it. Definitely worked up a sweat. I'm gonna look at my Training Peaks app and find out what my normalized power was, because that will give me an indication. I saw there that the average power was 211, but there were some sprints in there, and then I did have to get off the bike and plug the computer and blah, 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 so that wasted a couple minutes and definitely brought down the average power. But if I do go into my Training Peaks app, I will see that the normalized power was 223 watts. So better indicator. My FTP is 229, so it was close to my FTP for about 50 minutes, meaning, you know, that was a good workout for me. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, and so long.